Okay, so now I'm going to be talking about first grade math, and on the list, okay, you'll see there's first grade math, and then we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I am actually just going to talk about Monday because there's just so much involved. But I want to go over the directions at least so you guys have an idea of what I want from these. Because when the kids are in the classroom, I explain all of this. So, first grade, there's usually two different worksheets. Maybe one kiddo or five or whomever will get one that has a sea turtle, and some will get the octopus. Okay. Now on the front, the worksheets are the same. On the back is where they're different. Okay. So on the front, at the top, you're counting by twos, okay, which they all know how to do that. That's a spiral review. This one is a review from the last lesson. I've taught them to write on the coins, first identify them, how much are they worth, write it on the coins. Okay, so obviously these are quarters. They would write 25, 25. And then some of them, I've even taught to draw a line to help them remember, oh, now I'm switching to counting by five. So these are nickels. They would write 5, 5. Draw a line. And then these are pennies. They would write 1, 1. And then these boxes are where they write the amount as they count them. So they go, okay, 25, 50. They see that line, freeze. What comes after 50 when you count by fives? 55. And if they can't get that, I do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. And then they're doing a really good job of counting by ones after that. So there's the help that they might need on the front. Now on the back, if they are the octopus, this is what their back looks like. We're counting by threes. Okay, so I have some numbers in here, and when we're counting by threes, and some of them really already know how to do this, they may not even need this review. They maybe I'll just get it done like that. But when we're counting by threes, the one thing that I teach them after, we just practice saying it 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and we just keep going over and over and over that again. But then I also teach them another way in case they get stuck. You put one number in your head, okay, 3, and then hold up 3 fingers. So you count the 3 in your head, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they know that comes next, 6. Now put 6 in your head, hold up 3 fingers, 6, 7, 8, 9. And so that's a way to kind of help them in case they're struggling a little bit with remembering counting by threes. If they have a sea turtle, more than likely they already know how to count by threes, and so it's a harder worksheet. So here, they start with different numbers, and so they're going to be counting by threes. So they would know this one. If they have this worksheet, they can probably get done with that in like 2 seconds. Now it gets a little harder. Put 1 in your head, and we're going to count by threes starting with different numbers. So put 1 in your head, hold up 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. And so that's where it's a little bit more of a challenge for those kiddos that already know how to count by threes. So there's first grade math for Monday.